Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Press Home. Scroll to Settings and press OK. Scroll to TV Inputs and press OK. Select the desired input and press OK. Select Remove and press OK. Select Confirm and press OK. The TV input has been removed. Press OK to return to the menu. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.